Have you ever wondered what Mars, our red neighbor, might look like in 50 million years? From the Crimson Plains to the towering Olympus Mons, Mars has always sparked our collective curiosity. This intrigue isn't just about what Mars is now, but also what it could become in the distant future. Scientists across the globe are tirelessly working, piecing together the Martian puzzle, and their research is unveiling some truly fascinating theories. Among these is a concept that sounds straight out of a sci-fi novel. Mars, our red ringless neighbor, could one day boast its very own ring system. Imagine the familiar red dot in the night sky, adorned with a majestic ring, transforming the way we perceive our neighboring planet. But how could such a dramatic change occur? What cosmic events need to align for this to happen? So what if we told you that Mars could, in fact, sport a ring system in the future? It may sound like science fiction, but it's based on solid scientific theories. You see, Mars's moon Phobos is caught in a gravitational dance with the red planet. This moon, about 17 miles in diameter, is slowly but surely spiraling towards Mars. As it inches closer, the gravitational pull of the planet becomes stronger, exerting a force that the moon's structural integrity might not withstand. This process, known as tidal disruption, is a cosmic tug-of-war between two celestial bodies. When the gravitational force of a larger body, in this case Mars, pulls differentially on the near and far parts of a smaller body, like Phobos, it can cause the smaller body to distort and eventually break apart. This is the same process that led to the formation of rings around planets like Saturn. But what's the evidence for this theory? Well, if you look at Phobos, you can see it's covered in grooves and stretch marks. These aren't just cosmetic blemishes. They're scars that tell a tale of the moon's struggle against the gravitational might of Mars. The stretch marks are signs of the tidal stresses that Phobos experiences as it orbits closer to Mars. Scientists believe that these grooves are akin to the stretch marks seen on an overinflated balloon, indicating the moon is being stretched and distorted by the gravitational forces. The grooves on Phobos' surface are believed to be the early signs of structural failure, suggesting that the moon is slowly being torn apart. As Phobos spirals closer to Mars and the tidal forces increase, it's likely that it will eventually be pulled apart, its pieces forming a ring around Mars. This won't happen for another 30 to 50 million years though, so we've got some time before the fireworks start. And just like that, Mars could end up with its own set of rings, a spectacle that would undoubtedly be a sight to behold. So, let's recap what we've learned about Mars's potential ringed future. As we've explored, Phobos, one of Mars's moons, is gradually spiraling towards the planet. In about 20 to 40 million years, it's expected to be torn apart by Mars's gravitational pull, a process known as tidal disruption. This would result in a spectacular ring of debris encircling the red planet, much like the iconic rings of Saturn. The transformation of Phobos from a moon into a ring system is not only a fantastic spectacle to imagine, but it also provides a fascinating insight into the dynamic nature of our solar system. It's a testament to the fact that the universe is always in flux, always changing, and always surprising us. This is all based on our current understanding of planetary science, and while the exact timeline is uncertain, the fate of Phobos seems inevitable. In the grand scheme of the cosmos, we could be witnessing the birth of a new ringed planet in our very own solar system. Now, wouldn't that be something?